Hello friends, welcome back to General Science. Like I said in my last video, we're moving away from physics and we're now moving into the last general group of sciences that we're going to be covering in General Science. So today we're going to start just by kind of introducing those sciences and kind of what they are and what they cover when it comes to understanding the world and the universe. Like I said, we'll be talking about geology, earth science, environmental science, all of those different things, basically all the earth sciences. So anything that you could think of, basically, that you probably learned in like middle school. Middle school science is usually earth science. Before you get to like 8th grade, that's all usually earth science. And earth science is kind of cool because if you think about all the different things we've learned about so far in general science, we've talked about biology, which is the study of like living things and how they work and operate and all that. We've talked about chemistry, which is how the atoms and molecules of the universe interact with each other. We've talked about physics, which is even kind of more in depth, looking at all the different forces and things that are allowing those interactions in chemistry to happen. And now for geology and the earth sciences and environmental science, we're kind of zooming back out. So we've been slowly zooming in, and now we're going to zoom back out, and we're going to see how do animals and all that fit into the natural processes of the earth. How does chemistry work on a grand scale? How does the physics of the earth allow the world to be the way it is, as beautiful as it is? Right, it's basically kind of like, I don't want to say it's applied science, but it's definitely the other sciences being used in a particular perspective. And so that means we got lots of different things we're going to talk about when it comes to geology and environmental science and the earth sciences. We're going to talk about how the earth, why the earth looks the way it does. We're going to talk about all the different processes and motions that make the earth the way it is. We're going to talk about the chemistry that allows the different cycles of the earth to happen, right? Whether that be the water cycle, the carbon cycle, the rock cycle. All of that deals with chemistry and physics. We're going to talk about so many things. There's so many different things we can talk about. We're going to talk about how to make a better planet, how we as humans can impact it in a positive way, how as a community scientists are trying to undo the mistakes that humanity has made over the last several hundred years, and we're even going to talk a little bit about the resistance that we've met, trying to change the way we function to create a better planet for ourselves. I hope you're excited to learn about all these things. I hope you're ready to be open-minded and learn about how special our planet is, but then also use it as a tool to learn about the different things that we're going to talk about. I'm very excited to talk about all these things. I hope you are too. And on our next episode of General Science, we'll get started and we'll begin learning more about the Earth and all the different things that it can do. Like I said, I'm excited. I hope you are too. If you are watching this, please subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, so you know when more stuff is coming. I do a lot of different science videos, and I would love for you to be able to see when those are coming out. Great talking to you. See you soon. We'll learn some more about science. See ya.